Hey there, this is Dr. Jiwa Lee, just with a quick noticing and a little plug for my book. Shameless plug. Um, for those of you who may not know, I have written a book about the human heart entitled Cor Perfectum. What you don't know about your heart may be killing your life. For those of you who just think the heart is a pump, I invite you to take a look at my book. And get some more information about what the heart is really doing and what it really is on a moment-to-moment basis. This week, in particular, today and tomorrow, Hurricane Florence is going to be pounding the Carolina coast with its relentless winds and the storm surge and everything that comes along with it. And one of the things that we notice about the hurricane is its pattern. Its shape is one of a vortex. And that vortex pattern is really relevant when we think about our hearts. First off, if you think about the power that's associated with a vortex, just the spinning of it alone, and then how it's able to transform whatever it's in its path based on the energy that it generates and transmits. The heart is one of the most powerful instruments, I guess we'd say, on the planet, because if you would think about the energy that it would take to take a vortex that's going in a clockwise direction and then stop it, and then change it so that it's going in a counterclockwise direction. Well, our hearts are doing that every time it beats. The blood that's going into our hearts goes into the heart streaming as a vortex. And then what the heart does is that it catches it, stops it, and then changes the direction of that vortex in the opposite direction as it flows out the heart. And so that ability to do something that awesome, taking a vortex, which is really powerful and has a lot of momentum, stop it, and then change the direction so that it's equally powerful as it exits the body, and the blood is servicing all of our organs and tissues and cells. And that vortex allows that blood to move in an expeditious way, in an efficient way. So the heart is not a pump, it's a vortex accelerator, decelerator. And so that's just one of the tidbits that I have in this book that you may not be aware of, but it ties into so many different things: the sacred geometry of the heart, the architecture of the heart, what the heart is doing on a moment-to-moment basis, how it's communicating with other parts of the body. All of this is in this book, and it leads to my premise as to why heart disease is an epidemic and how we can change that. So, vortexes. What do vortexes and hurricanes have in what do hurricanes and the heart have in common? Vortexes, especially the ability to manage vortexes. That's what the heart does on a moment-to-moment basis. So, have a great day. Know that you have an awesome vortex manager in your body. And every time you see a hurricane, just think about your heart. Okay, have a great day.